Question number 9 states in which reaction is water behaving as a Bronsted Lowry base, and these are the 4 options. First, let's talk about Bronsted Lowry base. So these are the species which are basically proton acceptors. The species which are proton acceptors are Bronsted Lowry bases. Now let's look at the option number B. If you look at the option number B, here water is reacting with H3PO4. It is an acid, phosphoric acid, and it gives us H3O positive plus H2PO4 negative. So you can see H2 is converting into H3O positive by accepting a proton. By accepting H plus, what does it mean? It means that water behaves like a Bronsted Lowry base because it is a proton acceptor. So in this question also we have to mark that in which case water behaves like a Bronsted Lowry base. So correct option is B. So let's check out the other options also. If you check C, in C, water plus CaO gives you CaOH twice. So this is just an addition reaction. So it's not an acid-base type of reaction. So because acid-base gives you water plus salt. So this is not the correct answer. And if you look at D, D states ammonia. Ammonia is reacting with CuH2O6 positive to form NH4 positive. Means ammonia is accepting a proton. Na? Ammonia is accepting H plus. That means ammonia here is a Bronsted Lowry base, not water. Right, so D cannot be the correct answer. If you look at A, in A we have water plus Na gives us NaOH plus half H2. Half H2. So basically in this case what is happening is that water is getting reduced. Water is getting reduced. Right, so basically water is not accepting a proton. Na? Water is not accepting a proton and it is not becoming H3O positive. It is not becoming this. That's why A is also a wrong option. So for this question, B is the correct answer, which clearly states that because when water behaves like a Bronsted Lowry, base means it will behave like a proton acceptor and it will form H3O positive, which is exactly in the option number B. So for this question, question number 9, B is the correct answer. That's it. Thank you.